All right, let's look at the homework 3.1, problem number 9. All right, so we have this piecewise defined function, and we want to make sure that this is differentiable, right? So only problem that this could have potential point where it's not differentiable would be at x equals 7 because x squared would be perfectly differentiable and mx plus b is just a straight line, so it's a perfectly differentiable. But the gap between the two could be the problem. So we have to make sure that the first the function values are same from both ends. And then we look at its derivative matches at x equals 7. So let's do that. All right. So here, if you compare with, make sure that it's continuous, right? So x at x equals 7, right? If you use the the x squared, so first formula, you get 7 squared, right? And we need to match that with the other formula. So this is going to approach as x approaches 7. So x goes to 7. So you're going to get the m times 7, so 7m plus b, right? So we have to have this equation, right? Then if you look at the derivative, f prime of x, right? Then you would have, so if you take the derivative of x squared, you have 2x, right? And then if you take the derivative of this, you're going to actually have just m because it's a straight line, so slope is m, right? So at that point, we have to make sure that they match together. So at 7, so 2 times 7, so it's going to be 14, is equal to, right, has to be equal to m. All right, so now we already know that m is 14. So let's type it in here. So we know that the m is going to be 14. So all we have to do is find the b value, right? So what you do is you can just plug 14 into the first equation, and you're going to end up getting, so this is going to be, right, so 7 times 7 is 49, is equal to, and 14 times 7. What's 14 times 7? 98, right? 98, right? Then plus b, right? Then if you want to find b, you can just subtract 98. So you're going to be a negative 49 is equal to b. So b is equal to negative 49. Right, negative 49. So let's type it in. All right, we got negative 49. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got both of them correctly. All right, so all you have to do is make sure that at 7, x equals 7, these two formula gives you the same value. So we get the 7 squared equals 7b plus 7m plus b. And also, you take the derivative of both of these guys. You're going to have 2x and also m. And make sure that they give you the same derivative value at the 7. So which is going to be 14 has to be equal to m because it's 2 times 7. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.